Cryptomate Review, your personal cryptocurrency affiliate site. Cryptomate Review, Introduction. The most recent decade has been seeing the flood cryptocurrency with regards to subsidiary business sectors. The money trades, for example, have lucrative subsidiary projects presenting to half-lifetime commissions for anybody you allude to them as an associate and can even pay out in bitcoins. Also, with cryptographic money totally thriving at the present time and the cost of Bitcoin up 600% in only 1 year, unmistakably this is a tremendous undiscovered chance for your purchasers. On the off chance that you need to get a piece of this cake, I will show you a wizardry instrument to do so that is called cryptocurrency. I have included the link to get Cryptomate at an amazing discount in the link below this video. Kindly click on it to get started immediately before the price increases. But before I continue, I want to say that if you are on this channel for the first time, kindly click on the subscribe and notification buttons on this channel so that anytime we upload educative and inspiring videos or reviews of some very amazing products like Cryptomate, you can see it almost immediately. Also, remember to like, share and comment on this video. Cryptomate Review, Overview. Vendor, Dan Green. Product, Cryptomate. Front-end price, $17. Recommendation, highly recommended homepage, https://cryptomate.live/refund, 30 days money back guarantee. Niche, general. Cryptomate Review, what is Cryptomate? Cryptomate is a clue-based software that let you create your own fully automated affiliate site all about cryptocurrencies such as Coinbase or Binance. With Cryptomate, creating your crypto affiliate site is just so easy. It has identified 12 different crypto exchange affiliate program for your buyers to choose from to monetize your sites. All you need to do is click the links to apply, grab your affiliate IDs and paste them into the software. Your site, as a result, is then fully automated, with dozens of high-converting ads for your chosen affiliate programs created and placed on your site form automatically, all with your affiliate links auto-embedded. Summary. Cloud-based app. No thing to install or download, access from any device. Fully-fledged, online business solution. 100% newbie-friendly cloud app. Fast, see results as soon as today. Easy, no previous experience or tech skills needed. Unlimited market, do this part-time, full-time or anytime you want some cash on demand. No more overhead costs, includes all the free tools you need. Secure one-time fee, 100% money-back guarantee. Cryptomate is a clue-based programming that let you make your own completely mechanized associate site about digital forms of money, for example, Coinbase or Binance. With Cryptomate, making your crypto member site is simply so natural. It has distinguished 12 diverse crypto exchange member program for your purchasers to browse to adapt your destinations. You should simply tap the connects to apply, snatch your associate IDs and glue them into the product. Your site, subsequently, is then completely robotized, with many high-changing over advertisements for your picked offshoot programs made and put in your site structure naturally, all with your partner joins auto-installed. I have included the link to get Cryptomate at an amazing discount in the link below this video. Kindly click on it to get started immediately. Cryptomate Review, how can it function? There are just in a real sense 3 stages to acquire such advantages from Cryptomate. Stage 1. You only log in to the online programming. Stage 2. Give your site a name, and pick a crypto coin to practice your site on, for instance Bitcoin or Ethereum, and afterward click a catch. Stage 3. Get hundreds of associate offers and appreciate cash pouring to your record. Cryptomate. Who should get it? Cryptomate is certainly a great item for any online business, particularly for each and every individual who needs to bring in cash internet utilizing the least demanding way. Best for fledglings. Subsidiary advertisers. Cryptocurrency internet business. Cost and evaluation. The following are the subtleties of various choices offered to buy Cryptomate. Look at them and pick your best option. Front end, Prime price -$12.95. Prime is an info plus software combo product that delivers unlimited high-quality traffic from a 300 million traffic source for beginners, affiliate marketers, list builders and product owners to any link in any niche on complete automation, cheaper, free, and faster than any paid traffic method or without the need of paying for ads, creating videos, creating your own products or any complicated setup. This software searches and finds questions on Quora on total automation. It then posts your link for daily automated traffic, leads, opt-ins and sales. Upgrade 1 unlimited version price -$47 per $27. Unlimited everything. With this upgrade you will be able to unlock more traffic by searching and answering unlimited questions on Quora on total automation, plus use it on unlimited accounts. Link, URL shortener. Get your own link shortener for the offers you are promoting. Upgrade 2 traffic maximizer price -$97 per $47. Use the Prime Traffic Maximizer software and exponentially double or triple your traffic using our breakthrough cloud-based technology. Use this in combination with the front-end software of Prime and you will be exploding your traffic all without increasing your original traffic. It basically recycles your current traffic and creates more of it. Use any traffic source and exponentially reach more eyeballs. Upgrade 3 high-ticket DFY funnel plus limitless traffic plus unlock Instagram and Twitter Pro traffic software price -$197. Huge value once again here. You get direct access to the AdWords audience by placing pixels on the sales pages for the next 365 days. It doesn't stop there. You also get access to Robin's personal high-ticket funnel, with complete email templates, that lands you several high-ticket sales each month on autopilot. Access the Instagram and Twitter Pro software for even more traffic. Upgrade 4 to 3 apps products resellers license bundle price -$197. Combine developers' rights to the software, resell rights plus access to 3 of Robin's best converting products. Buyers of this upsell also get to sell Prime as if it was your own product and take away 100% commissions on the whole funnel plus 100% commissions on the entire funnel for 2 of Robin's latest products. Conclusion: this is where I am ending my Cryptomate review. I hope that this my video will help you to make a choice of the right tool you need for the success of your business. I believe by now you want to own this product now. I have included the link to get Cryptomate at an amazing discount in the link below this video. Kindly click on it to get started immediately before the price increases. Lastly, don't forget to click on the subscribe and notification buttons on this channel so that anytime we upload educative and inspiring videos like this one, you can see it almost immediately. Also, remember to like, share and comment on this video.